I am Niranjan Shrikant Bokil. I chose the course for M.Tech in digital manufacturing. See, though the name is digital manufacturing, it has all the contents of a futuristic program of the industrial fourth revolution with high precision manufacturing, additive manufacturing, flexible manufacturing systems, robotics, mechatronics, and the advanced product design. And it also offered various electives like big data, cyber security, sustainability. So that was a very I would say a very niche course which would help me to gain an upper edge in my work area with all these courses.
So I still remember the first day I went to my manager saying I'm doing this kind of a program and I wanted his approval for this. His question was, what do you bring back to the company after doing this? I told him, you would see. I mean, you would wait and see what I would learn, and if it's definitely possible, I would give it back to the work that I'm doing. And at that point, I was clueless if it could really bring back anything to the work, because I was not sure if WILP had concepts that could suit the industry that I was working. Seldom did I know that it did have. I mean, we had beautiful concepts across total quality management, SQC, the quality control processes, and definitely leadership change and management. So these subjects actually taught me a lot more about what you can do to obtain quality. I'm sure the subject didn't teach me to, deal with quality processing of software, but it just taught me the lines that you'll have to be really careful about. So definitely through SQC and TQM, I learned how could you measure the quality of a process. So, there was this extreme programming, there was this Scrum practices, all of this was already there in the system. But how do you measure the success of these processes? How do you metricize this? And how do you see every day you metricize this and collectively you represent the numbers saying how good it is expanding and how good is it working? So all these kind of measures was definitely learned here. I went back and implemented, and that's when I came out with a structure called PASA Analytics for my company. And that was more of measuring the functional and non-functional requirements of the processes that we delivered, and it was a huge success. I could definitely bring in a lot of defects, I could track a lot of delays and stuff like that, and it definitely made my organization realize that quality was improved. And I think I wouldn't have dreamt across those lines if I had not learned about these the process orientations that definitely BITS gave me an opportunity to.
I personally would like to recommend this to any professional who is working in any industry. Even though I am from automotive industry, definitely for automotive industry, yes, they should go through this. For the simple reason is the world is changing. You get to know more, and by doing this course, you don't have to take a break from your career. This is the whole beauty about it. Just to summarize this, I am going back to my academics, and once you are into academics, the child inside you comes out, and that's where your innovation skills or whatever new additional skills, whatever we talk about, we can always look at it and we can see the gap where we are, and we can correct our skills and upgrade our skills.
The knowledge which I gained from this program was really helping me to perform better in my organization. Example like the courses are engineering materials and engineering measurements, which are giving me deep knowledge of the procedures and the functions which are carrying in our organization. That makes me to perform well and do better in my work. I would really like to recommend this BITS Pilani WILP program to my colleagues and my friends who are looking to pursue their further education without quitting the job or a current career. Like these courses and programs are actually aligned to the industry needs, where you can progress quickly in your career.